content चाहिए
No, 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 no. How is Varkala? Are you enjoying?
Very, very, very beautiful. Full vacation mode is on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second episode of Varkala. So in this vlog, I'm going to explore few more places and to know that you have to watch this vlog till the end. Well, in the previous vlog, I have shown few beaches of Varkala and also I have shown you the nightlife and gave few details about the accommodation and stays in Varkala. So if you haven't watched the vlog, then please go and check it out. I have added the link in the description and also I have put the iCard on the screen. So we are ready now, so let's not waste any more time and let's go out and explore many more places in Varkala. So first we went straight to bike rental shop to rent a two-wheeler. This is Venad Bike Rental, from where we rented a scooty and a bike. Scooty rental costs 500 rupees per day and bike costs 1000 rupees per day. Well, there are many bike rental shops in Varkala which you can find in Google Map, or you can ask at the property where you are staying, who will help you. Guys, on the way we just stopped here. Very pretty, full of greenery, plus it's monsoon here, so it's drizzling also. So we are on our way to Jatayu's Earth Center. We are in the middle of the road clicking some photos and I am showing you the scenery. This is the other side. Very pretty. So next we headed towards one of the most iconic places near Varkala, which is the Jatayu's Earth Center. As you can see in the video, the road from Varkala to Jatayu's Earth Center was full of lush greenery and very serene. No traffic and crowd at all, which was the best part. Not a single doubt in saying that Kerala is really and truly God's own country. So guys, finally we reached the Jatayu Earth Center. This is the entry point and that's the ticket counter. So we have to get the ticket for cable car. So yes, we have to go to the top via a ropeway or a cable car. Okay. And this place is around 30 kilometers from the property that we are staying, or you can say from Varkala beach. And this is the surrounding, and yeah, that's the parking for four-wheelers. So guys, this is the parking area for two-wheelers. Parking fee is 10 rupees per vehicle, that is for two-wheelers. Now there are two ways by which you can go to the top of the Jatayu sculpture. The first way is by a cable car ride, and it costs 289 rupees for the cable car ride and 266 rupees for the Jatayu sculpture visit. So the total cost is 555 rupees per person. This amount also includes to and fro of the cable car ride. The second way to reach the sculpture is by taking a staircase. Please note that there are more than 800 staircases, so please plan accordingly, and this would cost 325 rupees per person, which includes the staircase and the Jatayu sculpture visit cost. Well, we took the cable car ride to reach to the top of the Jatayu sculpture. The cable car ride was for 8 minutes and we enjoyed the ride a lot as the weather was very pleasant since it was drizzling. Senior citizens, people who have injuries, and those who have less time in hand should choose the cable car ride. If you prefer taking an adventurous trail, then take the picturesque staircase. Meandering upon the rocky terrain, it takes 826 steps to reach the top. The walkway or the staircase is made using around 60,000 stones chiseled to perfection. Enjoy the lushness of the surroundings as you walk on. So guys, we have reached the Jatayu's Earth Center. So it was a 8-minute cable ride, and then on top you have the statue of Jatayu. So it is said that in the epic Ramayana that when Jatayu was hurt by Ravana, it fell down here and then it died here. So on its memory, this sculpture is built. It is raining right now, but this is how it looks. The statue of Jatayu is a representation of a legend Ramayana and symbolizes the protection of women and their honor and safety. So guys, this is the statue. I'm just showing you the surrounding, and that is the cable cars going downwards. And do you see, that's the stairs, the staircases. So you can also take the staircases. It's 800 stairs to come up, and this is the view. Jatayu's Earth Center or Jatayu Nature Park is situated at Kollam district of Kerala and is approx 30 kilometers away from Varkala. It stands at an altitude of 1,200 feet above the sea level. This Jatayu sculpture is also the world's largest bird sculpture. According to the Ramayana epic, Ravana was attempting to abduct Sita to Lanka when Jatayu tried to rescue her. Jatayu fought valiantly with Ravan, but as Jatayu was very old, Ravan soon defeated him, clipping his wings, and Jatayu fell onto the rocks in the Chadayamangalam city of Kerala. Okay guys, so we are taking a stroll around the Jatayu. That's the Jatayu. Behind me it's a very pretty place, and also there's a very pretty view here. This is the view. So inside here, inside this premise, there is a temple also. There is a temple, and this is the surrounding. So it's a nice place if you also are looking for a viewpoint. That's the Jatayu sculpture. From here you get the stunning view of Chadayamangalam city of Kerala. Did you guys enjoy the Jatayu's Earth Center?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
How is Varkala? Are you enjoying?
Very, very, very beautiful. And we
तुम्हें
are
बताओ.
in full vibe. Full vacation mode is on.
Well, while going to the top by the cable car, I could not capture videos as it was drizzling. So here I have added few videos while on our way back by the cable car to show you how beautiful the views are. The Jatayus Earth Center or the Jatayus Nature Park is one of the iconic things to do in Varkala. So next time when you visit Varkala, do not miss to visit here. I will meet you in the next vlog with a new place in Varkala. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Take care. Bye.